Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the flame modifiers in 99 Nights in the Forest, and let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to find out how to use it, make sure you watch the video up until the end, but let's get into it. So you guys want to do this very early on, so I'm talking about like before day 3, so day 1 or day 2. Anyways, once you guys go ahead and start up your world, go ahead and get 3 logs because you want to go ahead and craft the supply crate. Once the supply crate has been crafted, you guys can go ahead and open it. Once you open it, you will see that there are 4 flames, and basically you can use these before on night 3/day 3. Now let's just say I go ahead and choose the meteor flame. I can go ahead and use that. Then I can go ahead and pick it up and then put it on the flame. I should have probably had the thing like actually lit before I done that, but go ahead and just light the flames up. Once the flames should be lit, let me go ahead and do it now. Let me see if I can. Okay, frog flame, and now the color should change. Okay, so it says it is too late to select an event. Let's see, event on day 3. Okay, let me try the blue one. There we go. Rain reduces the campfire at a slower rate. Now, I believe for the other ones, either you have to do it exactly on night 3, or yeah, because it said it was too late, but it can't be too late because it was just day 1. So I believe you have to use it on the exact night. So it says guarantees the meteor shower event on night 3, or the Halloween carnival arrives on night 3. So you have to do it exactly on night 3. So you guys can try doing that as well. And then for frog flame, you would just do it on day 3 instead. So that should be essentially it. That is how to do it. I'm pretty sure you can only have one campfire at a time, or one color at a time. You can't have multiple. So that should basically be it for the video. That is how to use the flame modifier. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.